Have you ever noticed that the people with the most freedom aren't the ones working the hardest? They're not the ones taking every overtime shift or pulling 70-hour weeks. They're the ones who figured out something the middle class never gets taught: how to make money without trading time for it. Today, I'm going to give you a blueprint, step by step, for building assets that pay you whether you're grinding, sleeping, or on a beach halfway across the world. Because here's the truth: if you don't own assets, you will always be owned by your work. In the last video, we talked about breaking free from the middle class game, those silent anchors that keep you stuck no matter how hard you row. But cutting those anchors is only the first step. Now you need a new engine, something that moves you forward without you having to push 24/7. That's where assets come in. Assets are the real secret of the wealthy. They don't just earn money, they buy time. And once you have time, you can multiply everything else. Section 1. What an asset really is and isn't. Let's get one thing straight. An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket, whether you work on it today or not. A rental property that earns you profit after expenses. Asset, a business that runs without you in the day-to-day. Asset, a digital product that sells while you sleep. Asset. Now here's what's not an asset, no matter how much it costs. Your personal car, unless it's rented out. Your remodeled kitchen. That vacation you put on a credit card. Those are liabilities in disguise. They take money out of your pocket. The wealthy rule: buy assets first. Let your assets pay for your luxuries. Section 2. The 3 types of assets that print freedom. You don't need $1 million to start building assets. You just need the right type. Here are the 3 categories to focus on. 1. Physical assets, tangible things that generate income. Rental properties, storage units, laundromats, or vending machines. The key: positive cash flow. If it doesn't pay you after expenses, it's not freedom, it's another job. 2. Digital assets. These are my personal favorite because they can be created with low cost and high leverage. Ebooks and online courses, membership communities, software or apps, YouTube channels, and monetized content. Digital assets don't get tired. They work 24/7. 3. Intellectual property assets. This is where your knowledge becomes a paycheck. Patents, trademarks, licensing, deals, content that earns royalties. The wealthy understand that ideas, when packaged and protected, are more valuable than ours. Section 3. The Wealth Blueprint, step by step. Here's the exact framework to follow to start building assets today. Step 1. Pick one asset lane. Stop trying to do everything. Choose one type of asset that fits your skills, budget, and timeline. Example: if you're good on camera, build a YouTube channel. If you have cash but little time, buy a cash flow property. Step 2. Build for cash flow, not just value. Don't just buy something because it might appreciate. Focus on what makes you money right now. Step 3. Reinvest the profits. When your asset starts making money, don't blow it. Reinvest into more assets. This is how you multiply without working more hours. Step 4. Systematize. Put systems and automation in place so your asset runs with minimal involvement. The less it depends on you, the more valuable it becomes. Step 5. Repeat and diversify. Once one lane is producing, expand into another. This way, you're protected if one income stream slows down. Section 4. Why most people never build assets. Most people never start because of 3 lies. 1. I need a lot of money to start. No, you need creativity and a willingness to start small. Many digital assets cost nothing but your time. 2. It's too risky. What's riskier? Investing $500 into an asset or spending 40 years relying on a paycheck that could disappear tomorrow. 3. I don't have the time. You don't find time. You make time by cutting the anchors we talked about in the last video. Section 5. The compound effect of assets. Here's the magic no one tells you about assets. They stack. Your first asset might only make you $200 a month. That's $2,400 a year. But now imagine you reinvest that into a second asset that makes $300 a month, then a third at $500 a month. Soon your assets are earning more than your job, and that's when you bought your freedom. Here are some practical examples. Maria started a simple Etsy store selling printable planners. First month, $150. Year 2, $4,000 a month on autopilot. James bought a vending machine for $2,000, placed it in a busy barbershop, paid itself off in 3 months, now pure profit. Lisa wrote an ebook on a niche topic published on Amazon, now earns $600 per month in royalties without touching it. The final push, your next move. Here's your assignment. Pick one asset lane this week. Don't just research it, take one action. Register a domain, post your first product, contact a property owner. Upload your first piece of content. Remember, every asset you build is a worker you don't have to hire, pay benefits to, or manage. And these workers never sleep. If you're serious about building your first asset in the next 30 days, subscribe and hit the bell, because in the next video, I'm going to break down exactly how to choose the best strategy for your situation so you can go from stuck to self-sustaining without wasting years.